We're rolling.
Morning. Well, last time we met it was frigging raining and now it's icy cold. But we're here today to compare and contrast, as they say at school, the Maverick Quantum Flux and the associated rival MT10. Now, you can buy this in a monster truck option. Exactly the same, but it looks different. So just imagine we've done that and they're similar. They are both 1/10 scale. They're both brushless. They can both take 3S. So in a lot of ways they're very similar. This is about £170, 260. We've done videos on all the differences and all the spiel, just flick back through our channel. But for the time being, I'm going to give them a speed test initially, a little drag race, and then take them to the skate park and see what happens. First up for the speed test, the rival.
Oh, what's the move, isn't it?
She goes. I really do like the look of that truck. It's like kind of compact and squat. Nice and stable to get up to full speed.
What are we going to guess?
About 32. I say about, you can't say about 32, that's really precise.
So, about 32.8 miles an hour.
Yeah.
Oh, so I get the thing out. Oh,
Or, knowing your GPS thing, 0. Finding satellites.
no, it's found them already.
Oh, has it?
40!
Oh, nice.
Ta-da!
40 mutfers. Right, now we need to try and find someone to mount it inside the Quantum. Look how clean it is in there. It's only been used 3 times, I guess. 40 mile an hour for
40 miles an hour to beat.
Hang on.
What does that £90 get me?
Just checking.
Gets me LEDs and a hairnet so far.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fast, yeah.
Right.
That's easily a match, isn't it?
Well, that wasn't full throttle yet. Okay, I'm confident that was full speed. What does the survey say?
39.
One new addition to this truck, which makes it worth probably infinite amounts of money. And drum roll, please. I still can't see it. 38.4. Well, near as damn it.
Well, find me a Formula 1 team that wouldn't pay 90 quid for an extra 1.5 miles an hour.
Well, yeah. Anyway, you said go careful. I could have given it more.
So they go about the same speed then. Near
Give
as
or
damn it.
take. Ooh,
Hope so. Partially.
There's a very slight amount, we have shimmed these, but there's a slight amount of the old wheel wobble going on at the rear. This is what the shim mod helps with, but nowhere near the sort of clown car levels that it was. And it doesn't stop it working, you can play all day as them even really wobbly. Oh, crap. You all ready?
I love this little truck, it's so cool.
I love this. I love the look of this. Like this, the blue and the orange. Oh, sorry. Oh, that was a nosedive and a half.
Ooh.
Do we say a 4-wheel drive? Yeah. Well, I think it's time for a backflip sort of practice.
Yeah, I'm only running 2S, so I might not be able to do backflips yet. No, I've got no.
Alright, I'll give it a try through.
Look at that.
Nice, it's really controllable.
That-
Oh,
I wasn't
nearly.
doing that one.
Cheers.
Yeah. It's on wheels, isn't it?
That's pretty cool. Ready? Oh, cut out. Oh, savage.
Clap.
She cut out. Oh, what's going on now? Heat, reckon? Oh, that doesn't sound good. What's temperature like? So we've currently got this situation. Everything's attached.
After a couple of giant backflips.
Everything's free spinning. That's rusty already, but still. Everything's free spinning, but we've got clickety clickety click. ESC's working. Hang on, steering. Steering's working. It's just the motor going clickety clickety click, which is weird. But other than that, with all these backflips, nosedives, you name it, this thing is absolutely perfect and it is handling like a champ. And if that did cause it, you know, you double backflip a load of stuff over a fence, it'll give it a minor issue. But there's not a bit on this that's even mildly broken.
Cool. I caught it.
Oh. Two-wheel drive, all that happens, that's why I was getting so frustrated, you just punt it and then you wheel spin or skid off. Less control. It doesn't equate to half, does it? Oh, that was cool.
Yeah, it's a shame it's gone off.
Well, like I say, the fact it's not any temp in it at all.
Oh, sorry mate.
There's a new issue. Nice.
I can't. I've got no wheel speed to backflip. How cool would that be?
Yeah. Oh, I want mine to work. And that's your battery on the way out.
Hey?
So, oh, I thought it was your battery going slow then. I forget your thing doesn't just do on and off like mine.
Yeah.
You must have been using that mystery zone to me between like 0 and 100% throttle.
Yeah. Plaque. I can say that. How much better is this than my Enox?
Oh, loads.
Just a little jump onto this one.
Yeah. The summary so far is 0 physical breakages. This is in perfect working order. That's in perfect working order mechanically. That's been running 2S in the skate park. We've double backflip, cleared this fence and everything with this, but this has lost drive somehow. Everything's connected. There's no broken gears or anything. I can feel that, but the motor's just clicking. So could be low battery, could be ESC, could be motor. I'd say it's unrelated to the actual jumping and everything though, because it happened, you know, it was driving fine after its last big jump. So we'll chuck a new battery in before we conclude this and just check that.
I would like to say that my extra £90 is doing quite well for me, but if it's your ESC that's gone, yours is the same as mine, and that's just unlucky.
Yeah, exactly.
So we're back at the pits with Mike's truck. You might know this pit as a car park. You know, I don't know.
Well, what we found was nothing's actually broken on the truck. It still runs. What had happened is, after a lot of jolts and a bit of not great soldering action there, the motor connector, I mean this is, that should be on there. So all that happens is it had lost connection, that's why it was juddering. We've just pulled that back and touched them together and it works fine. So a little bit of solder, that's no reflection on the truck. It could be a combination of the landings, something snagging that. But yeah, so both trucks are working great. You really can't demerit this. That's nothing to do with what it costs or manufacture. It's just a bit shonky and a shame. 2, 1, go. You haven't done much down the other end.
Oh. Are you through wheel drive, sir?
I don't know. I imagine that's from me.
Or is it just something we found? I'm full wheel drive.
I'm free. It snaps at the end there.
That's the front one. That's again, isn't it?
But this is why I've got the uprated ones. So I imagine they'll fix that. I can still whiz about in 3-wheel drive for a bit. So yeah, these are in my toolbox, but because I needed them both to be stopped for this video, I didn't fit them. But yes, I am 3-wheel drive. I've only got 3-wheel drive launches. Yeah, it spins out now. Oh. 3-wheel drive back to it.
Yay!
Just about.
Easy back flip on 3S. Oh, not like that though.
Oh yeah, we'll move on now then. Go to the BMX. Overall summary is, they're both great. We've had a whole morning of 3S bashing. Yeah, my body shell's come off a little bit. But other than that, I broke a front CV joint. Big deal. It's happening in a lot of models I've got, and they do the uprated ones now, which I'm going to fit. I can't really fathom why this is nearly 100 quid cheaper, because it's excellent. This is a brilliant little thing.
I haven't broken a drive shaft.
You haven't?
And I get LEDs. LEDs are going to be worth like 50 quid, aren't they?
Well, there you go then. That's it. LEDs and £9 drive shaft equals 100 quid. I think if you bought either of these, you'd be more than happy.
Wouldn't you just?